In this video, I want to show you how you can set up a gradient background for your designs in Canva, and it's very easy to do. And if you have used Canva before, then you will know that if you have the background over here, this is just an empty canvas that I have created. And if you click on the canvas, then you can see this option over here, background color. And if you click on it, then you can set the background color for the canvas. But as you have noticed, it's only one solid color. So for example, if I want to have a gradient background for my design, then how can I do that? That I will explain right now. So to do that, first let me delete this blue background again, clicking on delete. And what you need to do is you have to go to the elements option over here, click on it, and you have to search for this search term. It's add contributor Danny. So I will also mention it in the description of the video, but if you just type this in the search bar, then you will automatically see these options appear, and you can just click on the first one, this one for example. You can set it so it matches the whole canvas like this, and if you click on the element, then you can see the two basic colors over here, and now it's set to blue and purple, but you can also change this to something else like red and black for example. And now you can see you have a gradient background, and of course you can select any two colors that you want to, so you can make a combination that you like. And that's how you can set up a gradient background for your designs in Canva. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If that's the case, make sure to smash a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate it. And also hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date on new videos that will be uploaded. And if you have any questions or suggestions for me to make videos about, please let me know in the comments and I will answer all the questions. So with that being said, thank you for watching, I hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you back again in the next video.